1970 Silverado grill. It's actually a GMC. But anyway, we got the 5.3 swapping it out of a 2004 Yukon. I got it out of. Motor ran real good. We put the air filter on there. We got everything tied in. 5.3 4L60. Gonna do a first startup. I was just tying in all my loose angles today because I don't want anything leaking. Got my air mass flow sensor on there. Got my power steering hose on there. Like I said, got the electric fans. Just gotta plug those up to the computer. Just a quick little startup on it. Let's just go ahead and do it right now. What we got here? That's how it sounds. Easily done. 5.3 4L60. I got the O2 sensors inside there. Actually need to work on the tune. I mean, not really, but I'm just saying that. Car runs pretty good for now, I guess. I mean, there's no cam in there, so I was expecting it to sound like what it sounded like. First start for the day. I did actually start it up last night, and that's how I know I have no leaks. But same thing everyone do, I guess, is give it a quick start up and just let it run, work out all this little kinks. Anyway, that's how it sounds. Flowmaster muffler. Drive-by-wire, need to put that OBD scanner up. So yeah, that's how it sounds. I gotta get to this other truck, get it done also, man. Gotta get it done. Gotta get it done. Never talked to you guys about this Monte Carlo. I had this for a while, just hasn't been talking about it much, but here it is right here. I got an all aluminum 5.3 in there. Check out all the dust on it. Already had the exhaust and the muffler system already done. Now the owner wants to do a turbocharge. Vehicle was set on fire before from that old motor when it was driving. But like I said, man, I put this thing in there. I'm gonna be honest, this thing been in there months and months and months, man. Anyway, finally just met the owner. You know, I'm trying to get in contact with the shop that brought it to me to do. But you know, he's busy. He's busy as well. Not throwing shade at all, because I understand completely. He's swamped and probably overwhelmed too, and then trying to get money from people that don't want to give the money. But anyway, this is that swap. You know, people will be talking about you can't use that column shifter with this Monte Carlo SSS, but I did on this one, and I did on my El Caminos as well. But anyway, this is a SS. But anyway, let's get back to this one right quick, man. See, that's why you need the 5.3 swap yours too. You be sounding like that driving down the street, man.
Good, baby.
You might as well. You might as well. And you should do it yourself too, so y'all can cuss at it all day.
You gonna do it?
Nah, you gonna do it.
Anything I get involved with, guess I'll come to.
Nah, man.
Yeah.
We already got enough swaps over here.
I'll come straight to you. I know my thing I'm running right.
That's that muffler. Well, let me turn this thing off before we have any issues. All right, man. Stay tuned.